Creating, editing, or deleting assets follows the same process for all three table types. To create a new asset, begin by navigating to the desired table: Assets, IT Assets, or Vehicles. Once there, click on the New Asset button, which will open a flyout allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. It is recommended to fill in as many relevant fields as possible to maintain good record keeping. Note that if you want to receive reminders for service or registration expiry, the registration expiry and next service date fields must be filled accordingly. Finally, click on Create to successfully create the new asset. To edit an asset, navigate to the desired table and locate the asset you wish to edit either by scrolling through the asset list or using the search bar. Click on the asset title to open its page. Here, all the editable fields of the asset will be displayed. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to save the changes. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the asset, and if desired, you can roll back to a previous version by clicking the Rollback button and selecting a specific version. Don't forget to save. To delete an asset, there are two options. Go to the Asset List page and click on the title of the asset to be deleted. On the Details page, simply click on the Delete button to remove the asset. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple assets at once, it is advantageous to do so from the List page. Navigate to the List page and select all the assets you want to delete. Press the Delete button to remove all the selected asset records at once.